to show you how to check your oil on the N35 Grafter. So first of all, if you come in and have a look at this, you grab this little handle at the back here to unlock this handle. So that's now the cab unlocked. It's not going to move until you lift this last third handle, lift the cab over. Always check there's nothing in the cab on the seat, could end up through your front window screen. So as you come in closer, you'll see this yellow dipstick. Here's the, just simply pull it out and you check between these two white indicators. When it's cold, you want it somewhere there in the middle. Wipe it down, dip it all the way until it's flush, pull it back out and check it again. It's that simple. Take your cab back down. There's a little safety lock here. Squeeze that, pull this towards you. It starts to come down itself. It's nicely balanced, it's not too heavy. And then finally, lock that down. There's no warning buzzer in the cab any longer because we know that it's all back in place properly.